Ano ba nakikita niyong kinabukasan nitong impeachment diyan po sa Senado pagkatapos po ng pagpapalit sa liderato? Dahil yung mga kaalyado ni Sara Duterte, they were able to seize control of the Senate leadership nitong Lunes. Ito po no on the same day that congressmen were supposed to vote on whether to impeach the vice president.
I think this change in leadership is a temporary setback, as we've seen in the last 4 years, no? Apat na atang palit ng Senate President, no? And that can even change overnight because nagmo-mobilize ng civil society. Ang dami nang lumalabas na statement. I saw a statement from all the law deans of the law schools, no? I saw a statement from the Catholic hierarchy. I saw civic society mobilizing to go to the Senate tomorrow, no? So the Senate leadership, the majority now cannot ignore public opinion. And lumalabas na nga ngayon na ang courageous at brave ay yung 255 or 257 ng mga congressman who passed this impeachment, no? So I think what is the future in the Senate? Nung na-interview naman si Alan, I think even si Robin Hood Padilla, ang sabi nila, itutuloy naman daw ang impeachment, no? Because this is their constitutional mandate. So there is no issue. Ang problema is, I don't think you can trust them because baka they will just change the arena where they will fight, no? Hindi na nila i-question yung jurisdiction ng Senate. Hindi na nila i-question na kailangan mag-forthwith sila, meaning within a reasonable time. Ang nakikita natin delay will be after they are constituted as an impeachment court. No? Because as an impeachment court, pwede na silang mag-file as senator judges to question the urgency, no? The urgency or the timeliness of having an impeachment while the Senate is on lockdown. While the issue of a Senator Bato making the Senate his living quarters is in the Supreme Court. Kasi nabalitaan natin na yung lawyers ni Bato, matagal na pala nag-file sa Supreme Court pero hanggang ngayon wala pang restraining order ang Supreme Court. So now, his lawyers are arguing this is why we need the restraining order or an injunction because this now is the urgent need. Kasi dati noon walang urgent need eh. Ngayon na may warrant of arrest, may urgent need at may likelihood of irreparable injury. I-argue ni Bato yan sa Senate.
Wait, attorney, clarify ko lang. So, ang naisip nyo, pwedeng gamitin dahilan nito ng Senate leadership para i-delay yung mismong trial after they are constituted. Itong situation ni Bato?
Yes. Yes, because hindi na sila magdi-delay on constituting themselves as an impeachment court. The delay will happen while they are in impeachment court. By filing various motions, no? Kasi pwede naman sila mag-file ng motion doon. And as senator judges, they can say, number one, that this situation is precarious, no? Physically and physical security ng mga prosecutors, ng mga witnesses, no, is in danger because sasabihin ni Bato they might raid us here at any time, no? Number two, yung legal situation, merong pending petition for injunction ang isang Bato, no? And he might say that this will affect the constitution of the House, no? Kasi syempre we all know that impeachment is a numbers game. At the other thing is hindi natin alam magpapalit. Right now we know that there is a weak majority of 13. Pero we should know that dalawang nag-abstain and maraming nagsasabing swing vote ang Villar's siblings, no? So that majority can easily change. And if that majority can change, papalit na naman ang Senate President at papalit na naman ang presiding justice, because the presiding justice of the impeachment court will be whoever is the sitting Senate President. So maraming
Opo.
pwedeng gawin
Okay.
within the Senate as an impeachment court. So that's why nung ini-interview sila Robin Hood and Alan when he gave a statement, he said, we know our duties under the Constitution, and in the name of God, we will seek the truth, or something like that. Again, invoking the Bible and God.
Mm.
So hindi doon ang battlefield. Ang battlefield is within the impeachment court itself.
And do you think the latest Supreme Court resolution would aid in that possible strategy or tactic? Dahil sinabi ng Supreme Court, di ba, within a reasonable period, pwede mas maikli, pwede mas mahaba yung trial.
Yes. Using that, kasi magtataka tayo, why did the Supreme Court decide after 1 year when it was a non-issue already? No? Kasi that decision was related to Chis Escudero as Senate President, and not calling or convening the impeachment court. Ngayon, with the decision, with that recent decision of the Supreme Court na sinabing forthwith is not immediate, but the Senate has a wide discretion on what is reasonable. So pwedeng i-constitute nila, mag-oath sila as impeachment judges, and then they will use all of these reasons to say, we are constituted, but we have to delay the proceedings because of the imminent danger to the security in the Senate, because of the protection we have to give to our fellow senator, no? Because
Okay,
of the many reasons.
pero attorney, di ba masyadong kalokohan na yun? Parang
Ay, siyempre.
sobrang kalokohan na yun dahil ang trabaho nila napaka-basic, no? Try and decide impeachment cases, and then trial shall forthwith proceed once the articles of impeachment have been transmitted by the House to the Senate.
Tama ka. And the delay may also not come from the senator judges, no? It may also come from the defense. Because pag nakita natin, pag maalala natin yung impeachment ni Chief Justice Corona, the defense filed an answer kasi mandatory ang filing of an answer. Once the impeachment court is created, is constituted, they take their oath, they approve the Senate rules, and I'm sure walang masyadong mapapalitan dyan in terms of period for filing of the answer. Magpa-file ng answer, 10 days non-extendable to file the answer for the Vice President, and 5 days for the prosecution to file a reply, non-extendable. Nung panahon ni Chief Justice Corona, nag-file sila ng answer with tinatawag na affirmative defenses. Style yan ng mga lawyers eh. Parang that effectively is a motion to dismiss. At instead of arguing the 4 charges sa articles of impeachment, pauunahin nila yung arguments on the motion to dismiss, on their affirmative defenses. Kasi bawal ang motion to dismiss. So they will file an answer alleging affirmative defenses. At doon na naman, doon tatagal ang battleground. Okay. Ngayon, pag dininayan, i-deny ng, let's say, pag dininayan ng senator judges, no? Because I'm sure nag-uusap ang defense tsaka ang allies na senator judges. Pag dininayan yung affirmative defense, let's say lack of jurisdiction, o sasabihin na nila grave abuse or political harassment, pag ganyan na free-name ang question, pwede na yan at dininay. If i-grant ng Senate judges, that's the end of the impeachment. No? The prosecution naman will be the one to go up. Pag dininay naman yung motion to dismiss to the Supreme Court, sila naman ang aakyat. So whether it is them or the prosecutors, that will be again a cause for delay.
So ibig sabihin mayroong paraan dahil bawal nga mag-motion to dismiss, hindi po ba? Pero may paraan para to achieve that same effect. Yun po yung sinasabi nyo.
Yes. And they did it during the time of Corona. That's why miski na
Okay.
maikli lang yung articles of impeachment, napakahaba ng hearing days on the affirmative defenses. But
Mm.
Christian, there is a difference. Yung answer with affirmative defenses nung kay Chief Justice Corona, iba ang situation because jurisdiction ang sinabi nila at due process. Ang ginamit ng House noon is, kagaya ng 19th Congress, is one-third is direct transmittal, no, by more than one-third vote panahon ni Chief
Mm.
Justice. Ibig sabihin talagang hindi dumaan ng Committee on Justice. So wala talagang hearing on form, on substance, on probable cause during the time of Chief Justice Corona. They cannot
Mm.
use that ground now. If they do attempt to use that answer, questioning jurisdiction, due process, and all that, madidismissan sila because it's very careful in following every detail uh, of the Duterte decision. So hindi nila
Mm.
magagamit yan. But nonetheless, miski na hindi naman legally strong, that will be a cause for delay.
Mm.
The other thing
Okay.
is, of course, very discounting people power.
Yes.
Baka mag people power dyan sa Senado. And hindi natin alam. No? Because si Senator Bato cannot stay in the Senate for so long. Apart from, as I said, delay coming from the senator judges or delay coming from the defense by filing a motion to dismiss disguised as an answer with affirmative defenses, they have to contend with civil society, the church, people power. Again, no? Because naka-receive nga ako ng maraming call to action bukas, 9 o'clock ata, mag-gather in front of the Senate. So, maraming mangyayari, no? There also is a wide backlash in social media. Kasi pambababoy na talaga to. Na it's very, whoever planned this coup, uh, hindi pulido. Maraming loose ends, no? For instance, Senator Alan Peter saying na he was not able to mention it to the Senate President. Kasi courtesy yan from a senator to another. Kung may magpapalit ng leadership, magpaalam ka.
Oo.
Just say that you have now the majority and there will be a votation and a change in leadership. What he said on air was he did not have the opportunity to talk to Tito Sen. No? To me,
Mm.
that was foul. That was a foul move. Pag maraming beses na no, there was an aborted coup. The, the one they wanted to put there was Lauren Legarda, di ba?
Mm.
Um, but that got aborted nga, no, because the numbers shifted. Kasi hindi sila nag-agree on the committee chairmanship. Siguro kanya nangyari itong coup was the promise of we will change all committee heads. Kayo na ang magiging chair ngayon. Absurd nga yung ginawa nila, no? You will notice na if you look at the video uh, of what happened yesterday, you will notice that the minority left the session hall. Nung
Mm.
nawala ang minority, sunod-sunod na yung let us create, let us have Rule 44. Rule 44, pinopose ni Marcoleta that you can attend the sessions virtual, that you can vote by virtual. No? To me, that's absurd. And then sabi nila, we will wait for the committees to be formed so that we can decide on the chairmanship. No? But then and there, they went ahead and created a committee on
Mm.
public order, and ang chair ng committee ng public order is Bato himself. How
Mm.
can you be chair and do the investigation on yourself? Di ba? Parang it's so rough, it's so hindi pulido yung po nila.